Hi, I'm Christina Chu. I'm a computer web specialist, and today I'm going to show you how to navigate in Microsoft Excel. So if we open our Microsoft Excel here, you'll see on the top up here we have what's called a ribbon, and we have the home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, view, developer. So in the home tab in our ribbon, we see a font menu, alignment, number, styles, cells, editing. So our font menu just controls the style of font we want. So if we, for example, type in heading, we can use the font menu just to style it, add styles to the font. So we can make it bigger, we can make it smaller, get bold, change the font style to Allegrian, even change the color a little bit. And now in the Insert tab, we have different things that we can search, which is tables, illustrations, charts, spark lines, filter, links. So that you can do that. We can insert a picture. Say we want to search sample picture and Blue Hills. And then it's inserted into our document. Page layout, we can control page setup, themes, scale to fit, and formulas are for usually when you make spreadsheets. For like if you want the sum of a row or the average of it, simply in the function library, define names, formula. In the dating, sort and filter, data tools, outline, and view, comments, proofing, and developer for special controls or add-ins or code if you would like to make it sophisticated. So that is how you navigate Excel. Thank you so much for your time, and I'm Christina Chu.